Okay, that's enough. We're going to Japan again.
Let me know when you're free, cause I've been trying to hit it all week, babe. Why you acting all sweet? I know that you want it on me, yeah.
Welcome to the Japan vlog. We just landed and we just got to the hotel. It's currently 8 p.m. right now and 1 in the morning back at home in Honolulu. We need some food, but Jaron is getting ready, and while I'm waiting, I'm gonna put something on TV. But I don't know how to use this, so we are gonna Google Translate it. Funny enough, we're staying in the exact same hotel in the exact same room as last time. Because good old reliable. Got it. Oh, I'm starving. Oh my gosh, I'm starving. Am I starving? I don't even know what I'm watching. Here. You guys wanna watch with me? Holy moly. My tummy hurts so bad. I'm so hungry. You wanna say anything to the vlog?
I'm hungry. Oh. Right there. I'll get one of those.
Oh, Sapporo. Our first stop of the trip, we're gonna get food. We're gonna get some okonomiyaki, or attempt to. It's kind of bumping right now, so we'll see where that takes us. We are starving Martin.
I gotta testify. Come up in the spot looking extra fly. For the day I die, I'ma touch the sky. Gotta testify. Come up in the spot looking extra fly. For the day I die, I'ma touch the sky. Back when they thought pink polos would hurt the rock. Before Cam got the pop, the doors closed.
How long of takoyaki? It's a donki. Oh. Hey, you need a rice spoon?
Oh yeah, all we got so far is just drinks and some water.
Everything's so cute. It's like so crazy. You can be here for like 1 minute and it's the most like overstimulating thing ever. I love it though. I love donkeys. Oh guys, it is already almost 11 o'clock p.m. Oh my gosh, it's 3 in the morning, almost 4 in the morning at home. So we just came back from Dotonbori. We went to Donki and we went to the konbini, and we were gonna give you a little haul.
Check out this asahi I found. Aww. It's like mini size.
And this is like shot compared to a regular can.
Another Sapporo Evangeline.
This is a Coke. Huh? Something rather. The Calpico.
Lychee soda or something? I have no idea.
Lemon sour, of course.
Honeydew drink. Hopefully that tastes good.
Orange mango. A little grape. Calamansi sour.
Then we got like 2 things of ice cream.
3 things of ice cream actually.
Oh, cold.
But I really want to try these ones. These are mango. It's mango balls. I love mango.
Those are really cold. It tastes pretty good though.
Wait, you're better.
Tastes like frozen mango.
We have a chocolate Godiva bar.
We need to get to bed because we have to wake up very, very early tomorrow.
Wait, this is amazing.
To catch the bullet train, so good night. Hit my head.
Is today number 1 or number 2?
Today's day 2.
Alright.
Day 2. We are heading to Mount Fuji.
Woo! Yeah, we have to catch the shinkansen, so we're getting ready to quickly check out, zoom over, catch a train to go to the station where the shinkansen is, and then we'll take that over there.
But hopefully we see Mount Fuji at some point. That'd be sick.
Yeah, we'll see. So let's go to the train station.
Off we go.
We're on the way. It's so bright. It's 6 in the morning and the sun is like up.
Sometimes you gotta bleed to know that you're alive and have a soul. But it takes someone to come around to show you how. She's a tear in my heart. I'm alive. She's a tear in my heart. I'm on fire. She's a tear in my the radio are okay, but my taste in music is your face. And it takes a song to come around to show you.
This is our hotel for Mount Fuji. I'll insert the name. It's really nice, but our check-in's not till later, so we're holding our luggage and we're gonna walk back to the Kawaguchiko station and just walk around.
There it is. Mount Fuji. It's kind of cloudy, but hey, you can still kind of see it.
Do a heel click. I found a strawberry on the ground.
Don't eat it.
I kind of want to eat it.
Oh, don't do it. We're going all the way to Mount Fuji. Just kidding. We're going to the town all the way down there, and we're here. And it's just gonna rain.
Yeah, there's a bunch of thunder, like a lot, and it's loud rumbling, like that. But it's okay. We're gonna hurry and beat the rain.
That's 2 miles to go.
It's a nice walk though. I really like it, and it's like super peaceful. I thought there was gonna be like a bunch of people as we're walking, but there's like no one, so it's really nice. Everyone's just really chill. It's really quiet, but. Stay with me. We were low-key complaining that it was gonna be a little hot because it was really hot earlier today and yesterday, but now that the sun is kind of away and it's cloudy, it's actually pretty chilly. Our hotel, all the way back there, and we're on the bridge now. We're walking.
Keona in her natural element. Somehow we just found ice cream out of nowhere. What?
Just matcha. Or should I get lemonade? We got matcha and then the cream. Oh, I'm so excited.
How is that?
It's amazing.
And then I got muscat grape.
That looks really good too.
Oh, wow. This is like really good.
It's good?
Oh, it's so good.
Yay.
It's so good. It tastes super good.
Yay.
Keona with the double ice cream.
Whoa, that's crazy. It's like icy. Amazing. Wow, it's raining. Only us would get ice cream while it's raining. I'm cold. So we walked 2 miles, but the last mile is too much for us. It's like puddles of water. So we're catching an Uber.
It is flooding.
But I'm still waiting for an Uber to connect with us.
What do you got?
Everyone's hiding from the rain right now, so it's bumping in the shop. So we have some cloth clips. Look, it's literally Mount Fuji. Can you see that? And this is some sake. We have a magnet. I got a tea. I got a strawberry sorbet spritz thingy. Tastes like strawberry. It looks so good. I'm honestly so hungry. Ooh. Nice to have a foodie hat. Yes. Is it Hawaii? Oh, that's a nice one. Are you gonna wear that though?
No, one of the days.
Yeah. No.
What's this Mount Fuji?
I'm soaked, guys. Guys, I'm gonna wear this shirt tomorrow. Don't touch me. Oh, Mount Fuji sucks. And these magnets. Oh, there's stickers up there. You want those?
We just got more goodies. While Keona's writing down
Should I put Aloha?
the map. We made it to our Mount Fuji hotel room. That's what it's called. It's called the Mount Fuji hotel room. Sink and the toilet. Bidet.
Bro.
Closet with La Vista robes. Is this like a Mexican place? And then we have the bed. We are currently kind of unpacking. The main attraction.
Yeah, you may wonder, how do you exit? It's to, okay, babe. It's to the left. No, walk yourself over to the left.
I thought it was gonna be hot here. It's actually pretty cold right now.
And you may be wondering, where was the shower with the toilet? Where was the shower, you may ask? Oh my gosh. Oh, look at these slippers. Wow.
There's a shower. It's outside. We have a little
bathtub.
Hot tub, but it has a view of Mount Fuji.
Wow, you can kind of see Mount Fuji actually. Like we're seeing it for the first time right now.
Well, that's our room. We have again, like last time, another like 6-course meal for dinner. I don't think she gave the menu though. 7:45, you guys will see our like 6 or whatever course meal. But until then, enjoy the view. Oh, it's coming out.
It's coming out? It's coming out. Oh my gosh. This is a special moment.
Ah, I got a second. It's really tight.
Jaron has 2 Mount Fuji hats now.
Yeah, I accidentally bought 2 hats, but hey, Mount Fuji with the pin, as we do, and a bunch of other goodies.
So much goodies.
Reenact.
With the purple freaking Red Bull, Japan edition.
Purple beer and all these kind of
And
stuff.
purple shirt, purple guy. You're just a purple guy. You're a grimace. Oh wow.
Oh, the window's open.
Oh wow, that's what it's supposed to look like.
Will it look like that? Who knows? Bro, just wipe that clean. Bread.
Oh, that folded thing was funny.
That was a very interesting plate.
Just to like eat it. I like butter as well. Oh my gosh, it's like hot bread. Oh wow.
We have onion soup.
If you can slow down, we're going too fast. We're gonna enjoy our $50 meal.
Of course. Fish dish. I don't really know what that is. Some prime rib up in this joint. Keona's so good with the John Tory fish. Right before this.
Oh, you're just talking about apricots. How do I eat this?
I don't know what this is. It's not on the menu. We are done. Dessert time. Pistachio cake and mango wrapped gyohi mochi.
These are little berries.
Oh,
They're like,
dingleberries.
okay. Jaron got the Grief Fit. I got the Curious George X Man in the Yellow Hat fit.
Look majestic.
That's such a...
Looks beautiful. Okay.
Oh, wait, you're recording. Good check. I am reverse Mount Fuji and...
I'm a prisoner.
But we're off. We're off to go take pictures with Mount Fuji. She's coming out.
Yeah, it's pretty visible now, and the sun's coming out, so
We're trying to hit all our spots now.
We're going.
We're going. It's like currently
5.
5:45.
We woke up at 4, but now that the sun's out, we're heading out.
Ah, okay, well, let's go, let's go, let's go. Gotta go. You have the key?
It's locked.
You're just too good to be true. Can't take my eyes off of you. You'd be like heaven to touch. I wanna hold you so much. At long last last love has arrived, and I thank God I'm alive. You're just too good to be true. Can't take my eyes off you. Pardon the way that I stare. There's nothing else to compare. The sight of you leaves me weak. There are no words left to speak. But if you feel like I feel, please let me know that it's real. You're just too good to be true. Can't take my eyes off you.
Watermelon.
This is really good. It's a fiber mini lemonade grape.
Mount Fuji.
Here we are. We're like almost 3 miles in.
We are here.
We came from like right over here. See something on the map? It's over here. We walked. Boom, 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 boom. Boom, boom, boom.
We're almost there.
Almost. I'm excited. Hopefully the clouds won't go out of the way. And we're walking. Okay guys, a little update on what's going on. We went to the Lawson's and we walked around and we were like, okay, we're gonna catch the Uber back to our hotel. And so we're trying to catch an Uber, but because it's only 8 a.m. right now, there's really no Ubers out. So we walked 3 miles there, and now we gotta walk 3 miles back. I'm tired.
Scrapbook. Bro, it's a pacolo leaf.
16,000 steps in it.
That tastes like coffee water. First matcha. Look at her with the matcha, of course.
Got a strawberry matcha, but I'm a little nervous.
Giant straw. Okay. I don't think she likes it. She don't like it. She don't like it. No leg room. Negative leg room.
From Fuji to Kyoto, we finally made it. Oh, it was a crazy travel day. It was a crazy travel day, but we made it to our room. We're at the Loiser Hotel, but let's do a quick room tour. Okay, first we have a mirror. Beautiful. And honestly, it's pretty spacious. Look at this. Most rooms, you could not do this. Okay, we got the bathroom in here. Pretty beautiful bathroom. All right, that's enough. Bullet bed, and that's it. But I want to show you guys something a little special over here. Balcony. You may think, can we go in the balcony? No. How do you do this? That's as much as it goes. Look at that. What is this for, you may ask? I don't even know. I couldn't even tell you. But we're gonna go stretch our legs and walk around. There's a lot of people. It's a hustle and bustling city. I'm excited. You excited, Jer?
Mm-hmm.
Alright, let's go. Welcome to You're real edgy like that.
Too much.
It's a little too much, I think.
You are unsure to take both with us.
Here we go.
Just drop the bag.
Like the Macarena.
Here's where we're going for dinner.
I'm excited.
What did you get? Like a Tootsie Roll.
We're in Poncho Alley, I think. Hey guys, we're walking back now. We're like a mile away. Just kidding. 0.6 miles maybe. It's pretty dark. Everything's mainly closed, and we're just hanging out. We're gonna go home, get some rest before our Uji day tomorrow. Ooh, and we might stop at a konbini before we get back to the hotel. Oh my gosh, how do you do this? What if
Why do you go slower?
Oh, I can't, you're heavy.
Pick up control.
Yeah, I cannot. Here, wait, stay. The iconic creme brulee ice cream from 7-Eleven. Good morning from Kyoto. We're gonna go see a matcha farm today, and this is our little fit check.
I have the half beanie. The
Get the
matcha
half
hat.
beanie. Correct. And then, oh, what time is it, Jaron?
It's currently 12:17 at home. They set the time for Hawaii time. How's that, Waj?
Pretty good. Ooh.
So I know the time back at home.
All right, it's around 7 o'clock. So we're gonna go to Family Mart, get some breakfast, and then we're gonna catch a train and get some freaking matcha. We're waiting for the shuttle, the dmatcha Kyoto shuttle to pick us up. So we can go to the farm.
Actually, matcha between the stone is crushed. Everyone see?
It's quite difficult to manage now. So by mixing with Anglo Mountain.
We're picking tea leaves.
To make tea leaf tempura. Okay, one.
Is that a good one?
I think. This.
I guess so.
2.
Tempura. Tempura. It's tasty.
Which one is yours? Hojicha stout. Or you can get deer. There's sencha pasta or hojicha curry, and the rice is from their field, from literally like right over there. You can taste the tea at the very end, like a little bit. Tip.
The guy said it's all enough.
Yeah, you did a good job. You're hired.
We got 3 matchas. Keona's in her element. 3 matchas.
They said we did a good job whisking. It's some sort of curry, and then it has hojicha rice with the rice together.
Super good. Reminds me of home because the brown rice. It's amazing. Broke up the self-gravity.
So cool.
Right there. One glass tea, black tea.
With lemon? Look at this ingredient. Matcha heaven. I always forget what these are called. Sweet potato one though. They're so good.
We found like
Isn't that great though?
a stamp, you know.
Every time we go to Japan, it's just another Maikawa.
We just stamp everything.
Last time it was a wooden carving. Now it's a stamp. Good though. Alrighty, we did the little ball machine thingy. I forget what it's called. And I got a little shinkansen to remember us going on the shinkansen for the first time. Let's see which one we got. Oh wow. Oh, you can add little tracks to them.
Oh, that looks like the one we caught.
Boom, 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 boom. It actually does. It's missing a nose. We put it together with the nose and the little tracks. Look at that. Boom, boom, boom. Oh shit. What we caught earlier, but like at 200 miles per hour.
Beer keychain.
Hopefully you get one of those two in the middle. Oh no, what'd you get? Oh, it's a real surprise.
Hokkaido cheesecake.
Hokkaido cheesecake.
You want it?
Sure. Here, why don't you try one more time?
And then we get the cornbread. I think it's cornbread.
Oh my gosh, I want to try again.
Okay, Keona's trying for me to get the beer one.
I'm not much of a gambler, but...
This is the 3rd time we're trying, so.
Oh my god, yes, here you go, Jaron.
Thank you.
Yes, see, 3rd time's a charm. We got some salmon ikara handles and some Kobe beef gyoza. Oh, how's that hair?
Can you guys see it? Draft beer. Can you see it? And then draft beer, I guess. I don't know. We're waiting for a reservation, so we're just killing time. We are in some funky store with weird stuff.
Yeah, I got
Craft cola. Make your own cola.
I got Azuki beauty paste and then this like Keona dark sugar syrup thing.
It's gonna be good with the bowl.
Premium. We got this one. And we got this. Yeah. 3 different types of ahi handle. That looks crazy. Got medium fat, fatty, and beautiful miso soup. I'm so excited. Thing's huge. No way I could get some right now. I should put it on. Honestly, I love it too.
temple pergola thing. Pagoda, that's what I meant.
I got the premium matcha latte and a raisin croissant thing, and it tastes like matcha ice cream. Family chicky egg sando.
I already have.
Raindrops are falling on my head, and just like the guy whose feet are too big for his bed, nothing seems to fit. Those raindrops are falling on my head.
You have to walk. You have to run towards me, so you can see it.
Does it look like a Lego man?
The blues they send to meet me won't
Victoria matcha. The matcha cream is not sweet too, but it's still good.
Break and hit nothing in.
Nothing.
Yeah, no, lucky. I'm gonna miss this. Oh boy. Oh, catch me. Going around. Okay, she's going. Oh, bad technique.
That was some sketchy technique. Oh boy.
A little rusty. That was a terrible shot. Okay.
You're the one who taught me how to play pool. Oh shucks, oh shucks, oh shucks.
I can thread that needle.
Oh my gosh.
Oh boy.
It's what happens when you're really competitive too, really competitive. Oh, he's gotta go, he's gotta go. And he shanked it.
We both won.
We're both winners. I feel good about that.
Okay, try this one. Did I give you the wrong one? Yeah, go.
Not gonna get it.
Oh!
It's Grace. Run out of time. Oh my god. Is it connected? Is it connected? Wait, one more time.
Oh, you almost had it. Ah!
Oh, okay. No, I have to be done. We both got wagyu. Mine's just cooked and then his one's like really good. But at least it's soft.
You can have my soul. one grain of rice. Oh, we have that one.
So I got an fuji matcha latte, I got a chasen holder, matcha powder, and I also got a jasmine matcha. So I have this one for research purposes, you know. Ooh. I like it. I'm so excited. They freshly brewed the jasmine. Yeah, I like this one. This is my 4th and 5th matcha.
Oh my gosh.
That's so good.
Change my shirt.
What are you eating?
Donut.
Strawberry pistachio donut donuts.
That's not much.
Wow.
Life could be a dream if I could take you up in paradise up above. If you would tell me I'm the only one that you love, life could be a dream. Sweetheart, hello, hello again. Shaboom, and open we'll meet again. Boom, ding dong, ding dong, lang, lang, lang. Oh, whoa, whoa, pip. Oh, life could be a dream. If only all my precious plans would come true. If you would let me spend my whole life.
Guys, we saw the pigs. It was so good. I thought they weren't gonna come to me at first because they weren't walking to me, but then they came, and I named all of them. There was Stephen, Milfred, and Clifford. It's my favorite animal. If you didn't know, I love pigs.
I mean, I don't even know what I got myself into with them pigs. As soon as we sat down, 2 just hopped right in my lap.
Yeah, the 2 black ones.
I never had to deal with pigs till now, but they were real friendly, real nice, you know. It's pretty crazy how they rattle the pigs, you know, how they pet them. They pet their butthole. I was not down for that. Cherry or tomato? Can't tell.
Lemon sour.
Self-feeding lunchbox. We have the timer going. 6 minutes. It's hot. Is it hot? Yeah, you freaking sniffer in there. Oh, damn, really smelling.
It's very easy. It's a strong scent.
We made it to our hotel. This place has a funny smell. We're going to Disneyland.
So right now we're in Amanohashidate. We're over here in a hotel, and we gotta go to viewland.
We're walking.
And it's a pretty nice view, but there's not much to do here. There's no convenies, I think. We walked over from the station and there's not much, but it should be pretty chill. It's a beautiful day. Gonna have nice views and hopefully find somewhere to eat too. So let's go.
We're in the air. Look at Keona. Gosh. It's kind of like a rocking chair, but in the air. I don't know where we're going.
That's pretty cool. You can see the view.
Who's behind me?
We're at viewland. It's crazy. It's better than Disneyland. I mean, come on. Doesn't get much better than this summer.
We're about to join them.
The views look crazy.
Okay, here we go. Are you stopping already? How is this Keona?
This is crazy. Look how good it looks. The view, the weather. It's.
I don't know how to brake. Oh, nice to be hey.
The ice cream over there. Jaron.
What?
Oh, ice cream.
Where?
I saw ice cream cones. There's swings.
How was the ride?
Oh my gosh. The ride was good, but oh, my ice cream. I love my ice cream.
Keona always gets ice cream. And she puts snow cap on the ice cream.
Yeah, I put some condensed milk right there.
And then I got a green drink. And then we got french fries.
This is perfect amusement park vibes. It's perfect. It's like breeze. It's a nice jam.
Look at this matcha.
The batch is the grass behind you.
Oh,
You don't like,
actually pretty good.
you like it?
It's kiwi soda.
That's really refreshing. I like it. We have a little island. Let's go.
Guys, we got clay that you throw through the ring.
No. We're writing where we are. Wait, is that right?
Or my kanji on it.
Amanohashidate.
Here it is. This is what Keona wrote. Jaron and Ona. And then Jaron and Ona sponsored. Let's go throw it.
I'm gonna try to hit the heart. Ooh.
That was fun. What are you doing?
This is the right green drink. This is a melon soda. The other one is kiwi.
This is good.
You think it's better?
Very green. Nah, the kiwi was better. But
Oh shoot.
Very green. Keona got to see the green dragon upside down. I guess that's what you do. It's me and Keona. Me and Keona. Oh.
I thought I saw your face today, but I just turned my head away, your face against the trees.
Guys, I love a stamp. Look, we got it. Got a stamp.
Keona just tripped
You
and
don't
fell.
see that. That craziness. We're at the beach now. The thing that we're looking at viewland, we're at the little strip of land now. It's actually really beautiful. It's really nice.
Teach me how to.
Like the way you like you love me.
Now I'm stuck. Eyes in the tides of what could have been. I pray someday you'll find someone who's more days.
Go for it, yeah. What kind of stance? We found a jellyfish.
That's a big one.
You get stung. Oh,
look
look,
at it
it's going, it's going. Where's it going?
Oh,
Just-
it surfaced.
It's just floating along.
You look like you're stuck. Boom! I thought it was a side of Palaga. It's a whole other set. Look at this. Big vacuum. Kind of melon. It's good. Tastes like melona. This one's a black circle. We're heading back to the hotel. Holy moly, it's a big spider. It's a big spider.
Oh, scary. Oh, Spider-Man.
You see it's upside down. I got some spider bites, I'm not gonna lie. Like real, like, can you see this?
Oh gosh, that's terrible.
It's so bad. I have like 5.
It's from the Matcha Farm. We're off to the hotel.
Gotta show you guys the room after.
We made it. We made it to the hotel. Come in. Got toilet. Got the toilet.
Like the throne.
It's like snowflakes. Big spacious room. We have fridge, closet, 2 beds, or suitcases, a big giant TV. This is like the biggest room ever in Japan. And then a couch. And the couch, oh, it's very stiff.
You have like a spotlight. Wait. It's like I'm about to do your dental cleaning.
And then we have a nice table, a lot of area. Why we came here in the first place.
Oh my gosh.
It's just become tradition. Anytime we go to Japan, we get a place with a private onsen.
That is huge. Like, it's a huge.
We got a nice view of the lake. The perfect temperature.
I'll be the judge of that.
It's
actually not bad. That's all. Actually, that's really good.
Hopefully it gets really cold tonight.
We'll shower. You're like still on the ground. We got, of course, the bucket.
We have a nice, I don't know, sink area.
It's like, what do you think this black door is?
It's the shower. Big shower. But, man, this place is just too fancy for us.
Oh my gosh, face like, oh see, he's getting them. He's getting them. Those depends on them real good, because they be grabbing them.
Oh, we got them down. Oh, splits! Whoa!
It's our last day in Japan, and our last time staying at the most beautiful hotel I've ever stayed in. We're headed to the station. We're gonna head to Osaka, and it's gonna be a long journey. It's like close to 3 hours. But it was nice while it lasted. Now we're checking out.
What does it say?
Hey guys, 2.5 hours later, and we finally made it to Osaka. We are in Umeda right now. We had to get more cash because we ran out. So yeah, I don't want to explain what just happened on the bus. We tried to pay for the bus and it was cash only, and I only had like, we were short like 200 yen, and I had to use 10, and so I had to count like 20 to, anyway, it was crazy. But we just got more yen, and we're having a quick snack before going to dotonbori.
Guys, I lost my beer keychain. So now we're looking for another one.
Any of these are beers though. There's a bottle one. Which one do you want?
Oh, maybe the beer bottle.
Oh my gosh, I saw it.
That's not even beer.
You got the one option that wasn't beer.
Shit, we gotta get more of these.
Okay.
Beer can.
It has a little spaceman.
Of course, more ice cream.
I got chocolate strawberry. Frozen yogurt. It's actually really good. Dubai chocolate cookie thing. Good? It's my favorite. I didn't get the smoothie one last time. Ooh. It's good. Try. Life changing, honestly. It's like, how many times are we gonna do this thing, bro? Okay, here we go, here we go. Close your eyes. Ah, I'm scared.
I'm just trying to get a beer keychain again.
Oh no.
It's vodka. Update.
Gosh.
We did not get the beer keychain, but we got a bunch of lemon sour keychains.
Well, we have to get to the Itami airport, but right now we're in Umeda, and it says it's gonna take 37 minutes on train. So we're gonna have to hurry up to the station and figure this out.
Quick backstory on that clip. Basically, we had our big heavy suitcases that were both like 50 pounds, and then we see kind of like this staircase, and it was so tall, and we're trying to rush, and I was like, we're taking the stairs. Yeah, I was basically struggling halfway down, trying to hold my suitcase, and I was like, I wonder how Keona's doing, because I'm kind of struggling, and she wasn't there.
There's so many stairs, and my bag was like over 50 pounds, and I was tired of long traveling. So then I always look for the sign, like, where's the elevator? So then I found the elevator.
When I get to the bottom, I'm like, I see the elevator, and I see it's coming down. I'm like, oh, it's probably Keona. And so I started recording.
Okay, never mind.
Bill? The orange went by already? Dang it, we missed it.
What the heck?
Yeah, it's over there
It's
now.
orange. What the heck is going on? That's me. Gotta finish all these drinks before we get in the airport. It's nice. Okay, it's hot. Yes. Why is it hot? That's really good. Ooh, sour. You try.
Alright, just here's all the, it's not even half the amount of keychains. None of them were beer.
What do you have to say for yourself?
I'm not kidding. We legit have like 14 keychains, and none of them were beer. We tried so long at that one capsule thing to get a beer keychain. Gashapon, something like that. I don't know. We have like a bunch of lemon sours, sake. This Keona has like a bunch more too. Ooh, looks so good. Whiskey.
Should I get truffle or regular?
We are getting burgers. Burger time. Double the burgers.
Burger. Truffle burger, regular burger. Potato. I need potatoes though. Did you check figure?
We're basically trying to use up all our yen, I guess. Is that what we're doing?
Oh, there's so many coins. So many 10 coins.
So we're using it all.
Look more aesthetic. Look down. No, like a little more down. That was good.
We're running through the gates. We don't know where we're going. We're lost.
Flight's in like 30 minutes ago. Catch your shuttle.
I guess the bus leaves at 9:09, but our flight boarding is at 9:30.
tried my best to feed her appetite, keep her coming every night, so hard to keep her satisfied. Oh, kept playing love like it was just a game, pretending to feel the same, turn around and leave again. But oh, this love has taken its toll on me. She said goodbye too many times before, and her heart is breaking in front of me, and I have no choice, 'cause I
Oh,
Oh.
he's headbutted.
Always.
Oh, serious.
They're getting so low. Oh.
It's interesting because you
Oh.
only, it's only.
Oh. He's doing like the Matrix.
It's crazy because they only push. They don't like hit.
They're kind of like slapping each other. Like uppercutting.
Well, this one's way closer.
Ooh. Oh, he's gonna get him. Oh, no. Oh.
Dang. He fell completely off. Whoa.
He filmed me. He's a photographer.
Take it out.
Yeah, get up.